Hello, and welcome to this short walkthrough showing how your students can use the MyTutor platform. At MyTutor, all our one-to-one and small group tutorials take place in our specially built, secure online lesson space. To get started, all students need is a laptop or computer, internet access, and a microphone headset. Students log into the platform through our website using the unique details we'll share with you. From the dashboard, they can view previous lessons, check out their tutor's profile, and see upcoming lessons. No personal details are shared, and students and tutors only know each other on a first-name basis. Starting a lesson is as simple as clicking Launch. During lessons, students can see and hear their tutor and chat to them live using their microphone or through the text chat box. The lesson space has lots of great features that tutors use to bring topics to life, whether that's uploading past exam papers or using diagrams, pictures, drawings, and text annotations. Your students can also use the tools to collaborate live with their tutor. Plus, we record every lesson for safeguarding and so that students can use the videos for revision. Once the lesson ends, students can find recordings in the Previous Lessons tab. And you'll get a report from the tutor on how it all went and what they'll cover next time. MyTutor's learning space is secure, simple, and gets results. If you'd like to find out more, visit us online or call 0203 773 6025.